My name's Casper Jones. I handcraft skateboards for Life Skateboards, and you're watching Days with Casper. This is a series called Life Takes Shape, where I'm going to show you a shape we make here at Life Skateboards, and then take you through the steps I'm responsible for before we throw some graphics on them. There are a lot of shapes and options here at Life Skateboards, so when you're done with this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and check us out. And don't forget to subscribe. You can catch me doing this work live and ask any questions you've got for me. If you catch those lives, you'll see the rest of the process, like gluing, pressing, cutting, and even graphic applications. But for this series, we're going to focus on shaping. Hope you enjoy Life Takes Shape. Today on Life Takes Shape, the monster boards, we've got the quadruple XL Panhead from Life Skateboards. It's got a width of 14.2, a length of 33.8, a 6-inch nose, a 7.3-inch tail, 15-inch wheelbase, and is 13.9 inches at the truck bed. This thing is a monster. After this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com, check out what we got. I'm going to shut up and shape this. Well, this quadruple XL Panhead from Life Skateboards is ready for graphics. Get yourself some sloppy 13-inch trucks and shred this thing. Head over to lifeskateboard.com, check out what we've got for you. Go ahead and subscribe for me so you can catch me doing this work live and see the rest of the process. And stay tuned for more Life Takes Shape.